This is number 2010 Sharp Eye Channel. We are here at Loftus Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns, North Cape Town City 1. My brother, what's your name and where do you come from?
My real name is Freddy Gobin from Marikana branch.
Yeah.
And my name from the branch is, they call me Styles.
Styles.
Yeah.
Sure, Styles. So, how do you feel about the game today?
The game, I feel good because we took the league. I would like to thank the all technical and the players of Masandawan and all the support that come here. On my other side, I'm happy because that's the record with it. We only lose one game.
One game at the end.
At the end, That's all I'd say. I'm so happy. The thing that I'm happy about it, the boys are tried. They're all the best. They are tried. And they take the league 7 times in a row.
Exactly.
That's the only team in Zans that did that. No other team that did that.
No other team.
Yeah.
So, meaning you are the best team in South Africa?
Yeah, we are the best, even though in Africa we're the best. Because next year or 2025, we're going to play in a FIFA Club World Cup against Man City, Real Madrid. You cannot go and name it. All the teams that are best in the world. We are among the best.
So you are one of the best.
I'm the one of the best. I'm happy that I'm supporter of Mamelodi Sundowns.
Nice one. Tell me, you are playing Pirates. What is your score prediction? Do you think you're gonna win that one?
My score against Pirates, we're gonna beat them 3-1.
3-1.
Yeah. I'm Kalende, Zwan, Sereno.
Beautiful, man. All the best, man. In the final, keep well.
Thanks.
Thanks,
Masandawan. Kabuyelo, Masandawan, Kabuyelo! Champions!